Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I on your screen, baby, with a new background, trying to live it up. I'm doing this for you. For you. The truth. So, as you can see, because the face looks flawless, we've already done our foundation routine. And we're going to jump right into this eyeshadow look. We ain't hesitating. No hesitation, no repetition. Starting with eyeshadow palette. We're going to move the hair out the way. Now that we got that under control, let's go ahead and do our makeup. So we're going to prime our lids with Warm Sand by LA Girl. Then we're going to be using the Box of Crayons palette by Crayon Case. Then we're going to try to just stick to the one palette for the eyes today. I'm going to go in with this color Tan as our crease color. Let's go ahead and set that crease so it ain't creasy. Self-explanatory, right? And we're just going to build that color and buff it out. Make sure that you try your best to have it look airbrushed. Take this color here called brown and we're going to go ahead and deepen our crease color on the outer side. Ooh, pigmentation. So you're not gonna go up as high. You're not gonna go up as high as you went with that first transition shade, but just right around it. Cause can we talk? That halfway sounded kind of good, ain't it? The note was even, right? Right? Okay. Tevin Campbell went on Twitter talking about something, how that song was about stalking a girl. And when you really sit and think about the lyrics, you be like, damn, this man is right. We're gonna take this shade right here. It's called Deep Plum. And we're gonna put that just in the outer V area. You know, build up slowly so you get what you want. You don't wanna punch yourself in the face with color and then having to buff 50 million extra times to get it up. Why? Because you got time today. So we're not going into the crease. We're blending right below it. Next, we're going to take this color here. Oop, the light is beaming. Ooh, I hope you guys can see that. It's this gold shade here. It is so pretty. So pretty. And I'm not even going to cut the crease. That's how foiled. I'll go ahead and you see that? So we're gonna take a flat packing brush and we're just gonna put that on our lids. Come on now. To be extra, take your finger and you just fill in the rest of the spaces with our brush. And I'm just gonna blend this gold until the ancestors tell me that's enough. We're gonna go back in with that brown shade that we had just to kind of clean up some of these edges that we lost with the gold. Take Veil Liquid Liner by NYX. And we're just gonna do like a super thin line. Emphasize even more sultriness. We're gonna take a black liner and line our waterline. So we're going back with that brown shade and we're going to just smudge out on our bottom lash line. Next comes mascara. I'm using the Roller Lash by Benefits, and if you guys know me, you know this mascara is dope. Look at this. We're gonna turn that to a mole. We're gonna turn that to a mole if it don't decide to come out by itself. Play with me. We gonna take the punches and just turn it into something beautiful. That's all we're gonna do. Cause this right here was a hater. The wand was hating. Oh well. While we're waiting for our lashes to dry, we're gonna go ahead and put on some blush. My favorite blush right now is Tangerine on the Watch Me Blush palette. It's just, so for our lips, we're just gonna take whatever brown lip liners you have. We're gonna line our lips. Lip shade, we're taking the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, because I love these things, and we're taking the color Cairo. We're going to go ahead and highlight the face. We're going to use the same color gold, cause child. So I just dipped it in there. I'm gonna dust off the excess and then we're going to apply. Because we highlighting today, taking a light touch right above the brow. Really light, because you don't want just a streak of gold sitting right there, you know? You want to walk on streaks of gold. You don't want the streak of gold to be on your face. And then we're going to take a smaller brush and highlight the nose. Well. And then we're just gonna put some gloss on. I feel like this needs some shine today. So this is a No Name gloss that has some shimmery specks in it. Ippy, that's the final look, you know? But yeah, so if you like this look, if you feeling the vibes, if you feeling me, boy, are you feeling me? Cause I'm feeling you. I'm sorry. We're gonna close off. Go ahead and like, if you haven't smashed that like button already, go ahead and do that. And just watch some more of my content. It is here for your viewing pleasure. I'm done with.